Hey guys, welcome back to another Animal Jam video. So I am in the den of my good friend Dark Pages, who, if you didn't know, has a YouTube video called Pixel Jam Does AJ Edits. I will leave the link in the description. Basically, you should go subscribe because she voiced Jackson in my new Animal Jam series, LPS series, LPS Perfect. So you should go watch episode 1 if you already haven't. It's called Let's Get Out of Here, and it already has, I haven't checked it in a while, but last time I checked it, it had 8 views, because LPS Lullaby Studios gave me a shout out, which was really cool. But yeah, let's get into the video. So Animal Jam has some updates here. Fennec foxes are here. I already knew that because I already looked at the update, so sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna get one of these. These cutesy Canidae, ooh, fancy Animal Jam. Summer Carnival, yes, I love this Summer Carnival. I also took a peep at Shop King's videos, and it looks like the beanies are back, and I want one so bad, so I might just check that out. Pet Fennec Foxes, to be honest, they aren't that cute, but you know. Spring Cottage, I'm definitely gonna get that because I like to decorate dens a lot. So, yeah. Also, I'm eating ice cream now, so sorry about that. That's good ice cream. But, yeah, the Spring Cottage is here, and what's next? Graham's Workshop. I actually played this a little, but we're going to go grind in that some more so I can make a steampunk outfit. I love this adventure. It's my favorite. Flower Den items. You guys can't see it because of this frame, but the spring armor, wow. Wow. Also, I really want those flower den items. They look so pretty. Animals of Africa. To celebrate the arrival of Fennec foxes, you can learn about the other animals of Africa in the Conservation Museum in Appendal. Carnival items. Remember, more accessories and den items will be arriving at the Summer Carnival all summer long. So get ready for a summer full of fun. Yeah, my summer's gonna be full of fun. I have to go on a thing. I have to go on a trip for a thing. For a play thing. I might actually make an Animal Jam short film about that. That would be fun. But, yeah. So let's check this out. Real quick. So, we got Stegosaurus armor, lollipop necklaces. I like those. Clown hair, balloon top hat, Ferris wheel. These 3 I think are new. Oh my gosh, yes, the beanie! I need it. Okay, hat with dreadlocks, those are normal. Disguise glasses, okay. A parasol and a sombrero? Dude, last time I checked, those were pretty rare. Especially the parasols. I'm gonna buy so much of this stuff, you won't even know what's coming at you. Sandals, kites, star necklaces, lightning necklaces. Yeah, this stuff isn't new, but it hasn't been here for a while. I only have 77 tickets. Rip me. Cotton candy window, pile of tickets. I've never seen these before. Probably because I've only been playing Animal Jam for a year. Bumper cars, those are so cool. Clown vanity, ring of fire. I had to do it. Hot air balloon. I've seen this but ice cream carts. It has the ice cream I'm eating right now. I'm eating mint chocolate chip right now. Balloon phantom, circus ball and stand. Yeah, people are gonna get triggered at me for saying this, but that's pretty cool. I'm happy because I've never had any of these items and I don't care too much for rares, to be honest. So yeah, now I'm gonna get me a Fennec fox, boys. I already got one on my friend's account because my account was suspended for no apparent reason that I know of. But yeah. Okay, let's see. Ember, that's pretty. Fancy violet. Ember fancy violet. I don't like that. No. Buddy. No, that's weird. Cat. That's the exact opposite of what it is, isn't it? Because foxes are dogs, aren't they? Yeah, they're like canines. So, yeah, That's, I'm a cat now. Hey, look at me, Mom, I'm a cat. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at it in the profile thing, it looks like a dog. By the way, shout out to Undiscouraged on Animal Jam. She's my friend, and she gave me all this stuff because she's quitting. No. So don't send her stuff. Just actually do send her stuff, and then say, send this to you. Okay, never mind. That came out weird. But yeah. Oh, the little monster things. Do I have anything to put on its back? Oh, this Rare Lucky tuxedo is super cute, but I'll try that out in a different look. No, I don't have any blue things. Help. Oh, that looks weird with the paws. That looks really stupid but cute at the same time. I also tested out spikes because she has spikes on her account, and they look decent on the Finnick Foxes, which I think is cool. Here we have, I don't have any blue things and tail items. Head items. Oh, this little rare snowflake tiara. So cute. Okay, that's a nice neutral color, and then white. For the eyes, I want to do blue. No, dark blue. These are my favorite eyes, these ones. The guy eyes kind of creep me out, I don't know why. I haven't tested out the patterns on them. They look pretty weird. Not weird, but like, oh my goodness, I like that one. I like that one a lot. Okay. Fire looks weird. Lightning looks okay. Leaf, heart. Moon looks weird on every animal, to be honest. Star, and that's it. I'm gonna go with the splash pattern. Yeah, because I think that's really pretty. I love the splash pattern. It's like my go-to pattern. Hold on, I'm gonna eat some ice cream. Alright, sorry about that. But, like, I'm gonna show you guys the moves and stuff in case you haven't got one yet. The dance is like, and you, and you, and you. Sorry, random person. But, like, it's just so cute. Actually, that wasn't a random person. I adopted someone on Animal Jam. And I unbuddied them because I was scared, because they're an interesting character. And I'm scared that if I tell them I don't want to family roleplay anymore, they'll get mad at me or something. But this look is adorable. I love the monster paws on the Finnick Foxes. Play. Oh my goodness, so cute. Sleep. Hop. On the screen recorder, I only have a certain amount of time to record, so we gotta wrap this up soon. Alright. So, I want to see some other things on this real quick. Why did I get rid of that look? It was so cute. The Lucky Tuxedo looks pretty messed up, if you ask me. That looks weird on every animal. But, yeah, cute. I'm gonna get back to my OG look right here. What does that look like? Oh, that's pretty cute, but I like the chain necklace more. Alright, so, she posted on my jammer wall. Let's see what this says. Let's see. Thought you were my mom, and I had a sis. Why did you unbuddy me? Something? Can you please at least tell me? Okay. Want a family role play anymore? I'm scared you would get mad if I told you that. There we go. Okay, hopefully she leaves me alone now. Oh my god, I feel so mean. I'm not trying to be mean, but why is my next thing glitching out? Okay, it wasn't glitching out. That's just how it looks. So now I'm going to be getting the spring cottage. Also, look at this terrible art I made, everyone. Isn't it great? I made it in 10 minutes. It says hashtag 10 minutes in the corner. But yeah, I made it in like 10 minutes. You should go to my den because there's a bunch of art from amazing artists that are better than me. Like my friend here, I'm gonna call him Edgy Spaghetti because that was his nickname. But yeah, that was his nickname that me and my friend used to call him. but Edgy Spaghetti. Yeah, that art's by Edgy Spaghetti, everyone. But he has really amazing art, so you should go look up the art that he has. It's by Spaghetti Orange. But now, basically, I'm going to get the den and not be distracted anymore. Alright, so switch my den. I've actually legitimately forgotten. Oh no. Oh no. I switched to the friendship cottage and she. Also, how do I have a friendship cottage? No. Oh, she wouldn't be mad. Okay. Oh, well, she's not accepting buddy requests, so buddy. Oh my gosh, she's here. We can be friends, but I'm recording. Oh, guys, I don't. Help me, save me, save me. Okay, cool. Random person is my buddy. Help, help, save me. Okay, good, okay. I really want to unbuddy her now, but I can't, so, that's great. I'm so confused on why I have a friendship cottage again. Maybe I bought it a long time ago? I don't even remember buying half my dens. How do I have this many? I'm suffering from amnesia. Please help. Ooh, Spring Cottage. There it is. This is like my favorite den. My favorite den, and I've never had it before. So, let's check it out. So, I already know what's in it, but just in case you guys didn't, this room is huge. It looks so big as a tiny fennec fox. I'm gonna see if the flower den items are in here, but they're not. So let's go to the diamond. The demons show up. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to see if the flower den items are out yet. Hopefully they are. Hopefully I have enough diamonds to buy some of them. Daffodil umbrella. Oh, hardly any of it is out. I'm gonna save my diamonds for them. So yeah. Let's see. Thorn spike collar. That's pretty cute. I love this vine tail armor. It's so pretty. Yes, please. Yas queen. Okay, I'm never going to ever say that again in my whole entire life. Oh boy. Alright. I love this tail armor. It's so nice. Love it. Okay. So, I don't really want to get a pet fennec fox, but I'm just gonna look at it for a minute. My ice cream has turned into soup. Send help. Alright, so brown and that's cute. I'm gonna look at the eyes. Why is this an eye option? He's an angry boy. But yeah. So I might have to make a part 2 to this video because this is getting kind of long. And I only have 15 minutes to record this. I mean, on my screencast, I have way longer to, like, the actual things. So, let me check this again. What should we do next? Right. Summer Carnival, we already did that, but, like, okay. Let's do this. Okay, let's go to Graham's workshop. Alright, so I'm actually going to end the video here. And part 2 is coming out right after this, so stay tuned. Bye guys, hope you had an amazing day. Stay subscribed, and that was a really bad outro, but I spent 15 minutes on this video, so deal with it, boys. Okay, bye, see you in part 2.